Today, we're diving into the Audio Desk Systeme Vinyl Cleaner Machine Refresher Kit, a comprehensive set designed to rejuvenate your vinyl collection with professional-grade care. This kit includes everything you need to maintain optimal cleaning performance for your LPs. First up, the set of Audio Desk Systeme Vinyl Cleaner Machine Microfiber Barrels, comprising 4 high-quality microfiber cleaning barrels. These are essential for effectively removing dirt and debris from your vinyl records, ensuring they maintain their pristine condition over time. It's recommended to replace these barrels after approximately every 500 LPs for continued efficiency. Next, the kit features a fluid filter, crucial for maintaining the cleanliness and effectiveness of the cleaning fluid used in the vinyl cleaner machine. This helps in prolonging the life of your cleaning solution and ensures consistent performance. The Audio Desk Systeme Replacement Black Wiper Blades, a set of 2, are also included in the kit. These blades are vital for the proper functioning of the vinyl cleaning machine, ensuring smooth and thorough cleaning without causing any damage to your precious records. Speaking of cleaning fluid, the kit offers a 4-pack of Audio Desk Systeme Vinyl Cleaning Fluid Concentrate. This concentrate is formulated specifically for vinyl records, effectively removing contaminants while being gentle on the surface of your LPs. Each bottle is designed to be diluted with water to create a cleaning solution that's both effective and economical. Overall, the Audio Desk Systeme Vinyl Cleaner Machine Refresher Kit is a must-have for vinyl enthusiasts who prioritize the maintenance and longevity of their record collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the world of vinyl, this kit provides all the essentials to keep your records sounding their best. It's a worthwhile investment that ensures your vinyls are always ready to deliver the highest fidelity audio experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.